All right, Dean, we start off, well, how often do we show you someone moving a boat when it goes well? Do we ever show you those thousands of boat maneuvers that work perfectly?
Never seen one go right.
We are the ultimate opportunists when it comes to this. This guy is moving his sailboat, cruising along, and I'm no mariner. But I will tell you, I would strap the thing down. I'm just saying, as great as these are, these little steadiers, we go like this at all. I'm just saying, I haven't seen the video. But,
wow.
Oh boy.
Now I'm worried.
This guy, no, he's got it though. If the thing falls, he's got it. We're fine. Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy. Oh goodness. Boy, listen to the guy in the video. Listen to what he says.
Wow. Huge disaster.
Huge disaster.
Wow. Wow.
That's understated. Al Michaels, he's not, but still.
He's got to work on his color skills.
He might have to.
Yeah.
He might have to, but unbelievable stuff. All right, let's go ahead and show you what's going on here. And, well, apparently my clicker, I don't know what's going to happen. Who knows, really? The clicker is, now we may just see this
We're
video
just going to re-rack this?
on a loop for the next month.
Wow.
We may just be forced to watch that. Let's just go on to Ruidoso, show you what's going on here.
Hey, Mark, I got a shout out for Ruidoso.
Oh, do you?
Ran into some nice folks from the Rancho Ruidoso Valley Estates today.
Okay.
They were up from Ruidoso having lunch.
Oh, were they really?
Yeah.
You got a chance, is you just going around getting to know people? Or?
I said, hey, what's going on?
Yeah.
You know what? And I'd like to tell you what else they were doing.
Yeah.
But I didn't want to be nosy.
Oh, I understand.
Because you don't know. They
No,
came
you
to the
don't
big town. Maybe they got something going on they don't want to talk about.
Well, oftentimes, Dean, I've seen you just go up to people's table and just sit down and ask for maybe a little something to eat, which I think is a nice touch that you didn't do that this time. Here's a look down here in Ruidoso. Well, thank you to
the Rancho Ruidoso Valley Estates. That's their community.
That sounds beautiful.
Well, that whole place is pretty.
Oh, I know it is. I love the Sacramento Mountains. You kidding me? All right, the reason you're not seeing anything here is because right now I am having quite a time getting the clicker to work. So,
you want me to bring that video back up of the boat?
You may have to, Dino. You may have to. All right, here we go. Well, we'll see. The radar's working, so we'll go with that. We've got a couple different things going on here. A few storms along the I-40 corridor. We're pushing out some gust fronts and firing some new storms now just south of Grady. So if you're in the Clovis and Fort Sumner areas, you're likely to see your winds crank up here within the next 15 minutes or so, and some storms work their way through. Now, these have more wind with them than they do rain or even some small hail, but you still could get a little bit wet here. So we do need to watch that eastern edge of the state for some of these thunderstorms working their way on through. Not as much action down south, but a few cells sliding through Eddy County here as we speak. And as we get over into south central sections of the state here, north of Ruidoso, north of Ruidoso and west of Ruidoso, way west of Ruidoso, picking up some storms right now. Here's a look at what's going on out there as far as the metro area goes and the state as a whole. As we put things into motion here, we'll get it going. There we go. All right, so as you can see across the east, we're firing up a few thunderstorms, but not much else here. So if you go out west, a lot of what you're seeing there isn't even hitting the ground at this point. So as we move on here, you won't be seeing much of me, which is actually an improvement. 88 degrees right now in the metro, winds variable at 6 miles an hour. Kind of run things here off to the side, but give you an idea what's going on to the north, 60s and 70s, some 80s as well. Down to the south, still warm, 84 in Deming, 87 in Las Cruces, and 90 in Carlsbad. Here's a look at the moisture working its way up from the south. Now, this is the monsoon flow pattern to a degree, but it's pretty weak, and it's not packing a lot of punch here, as you can see. Pretty lame storm crop out there for right now. And part of our issue right now is the fact that as the high sits over us, it just doesn't allow the real deep flow of moisture in across the state. So we've got to work that moisture underneath the high, which we're going to do here for tomorrow. But really late tomorrow into Wednesday, the benefit for us will be high pressure sliding to the north. That's going to allow a little more juice into the state. It's still not going to be great, but we'll get some more storms going, say, tomorrow and Wednesday, as opposed to what we had going, say, for today, where the crop wasn't that great. The problem is, on the whole, the high is going to slide back in over the state here, coming up into the weekend and maybe even into the beginning of next week. So as that happens, we'll see again the chance for storms start to reduce across the state again. The overall takeaway here is that because of the position of that high sitting over us, we don't get much of a shot at widespread storms. Let's go region by region. Southern Colorado, temperatures for the most part 80s and low 90s for tomorrow, and that shot at showers will continue, especially over the next couple of days. Same deal across the northwest, although Farmington looks pretty quiet for tomorrow. If you're out in Dulce or Cuba, could pick up a storm or two. Out to the southwest, temperatures here anywhere from the 90s all the way up into the triple digits with scattered storms out there. Over over to the southeast, partly sunny skies, isolated storms. 102 Carlsbad, 97 in Roswell. Still hot as well. Tucumcari 97, 94 Santa Rosa, and 88 in Las Vegas. Meanwhile, over the northern mountains, temperatures here 70s, 80s, and 90s for tomorrow, with the chance at a shower, especially along the elevated terrain. 90 in Estancia, 92 in Tejeras, with some storms out there in the afternoon. And here in the metro, scattered shower or two possibility, with lows in the 60s and 70s, highs in the mid-90s. Extended forecast. Scattered showers remain possible through Wednesday. Then that chance sort of backs off a little bit Thursday and Friday, and then we'll bring back an isolated storm as a possibility Saturday into Sunday.
All right, not bad. Mark, thank you.